Hi everyone, I'm Dan.
I'm Helen.
And we are the creatives at Enact Solutions Drama for Training Company.
So at Enact, we're really passionate about creating behavioural change within organisations. So we create a space to observe and for participants to reflect. We also use professional actors, so don't worry, you won't need to do any of the acting, that's what they're there for.
Yeah, we're absolutely passionate about the use of drama. We think it's the best way of experiencing behaviours, getting underneath the surface, but most of all, problem solving. But don't just take our word for it. Here are some of the clips from our recent workshops.
Okay, so you've just seen some clips of the work that we do, and just to let you know, we'll be sharing some learning into action moments in bite-sized chunks over social media.
Yeah, so over the next few weeks we'll be recording those and sharing those from our studio here in Salford, so keep your eyes peeled, or for more information about what we do, check out the website enactsolutions.com. Bye for now.